What's up? Andrew and Emily from Namaste Lean. Today I'm gonna do the ultimate hot sauce challenge.
Andrew likes to think of himself as a hot sauce connoisseur. So today we're putting that to the test with a hot sauce taste test.
I've never tried Cholula, so here we go. We got Cholula. We got Death by Johnny from Mucho Burrito. We got Raspberry Tabasco. We got Tiger Sauce. We got Sriracha, pepper sauce, boom. We got Valentina. We got the Grace Pepper Sauce. Cholula Ghost, Rebel Sauce. I'm gonna bust that out. No. Read what it says on the side of that sauce.
Aubrey D. Rebel. Cholula Ghost. Extremely hot. Most of these hot sauces were in the range of $1.99 to probably the most expensive was Cholula Ghost at $11.99.
Right on, I'm excited to try that one anyways. Now we can do the taste test. So what kind of chips am I going to be using today?
You're going to be using Paki chips.
Paki chips?
Is that what they're called?
Yeah, Paki.
Paki. So today Andrew's taste testing the hot sauces with
Paki chips. Wild Ranch flavor. That's what we're using for vessel today.
Really, people, everything is a vessel for the sauce.
Just a vessel for the sauce. I'm pretty super excited. 10 hot sauces today.
You're blindfolded.
Don't hear a sound, do you? Perfect.
Here we go. No peeking.
Let's see. I'm having difficulties.
So do you want me to do it for you?
Okay, one second. I'll wrap it around my head. Perfect. Okay.
Are you blind?
Got my blindfold on.
All right. You got
Okay.
it on?
Yeah, I got it on. Can't see. Wow, this is awesome.
Can you see?
No.
Are you lying?
I honestly can't see.
Okay. All right. I've got him blindfolded.
Okay.
All right. The first hot sauce.
I'm nervous, even though it's just hot sauce, I know what they are.
Okay, open your mouth.
Sriracha.
Beauty and brains. Are you cheating?
No, honestly not. It's cleanse the palate.
Next one, open wide. You like that one, eh?
Valentina?
Nope.
Oh, Louisiana.
Yep.
I was gonna say that one first. Wow, this is still nerve-wracking.
All right, we have the next one. You like that one?
Which one is that? I gotta have one more to test for sure. That one's gotta be Valentina?
Nope.
No? What? Well, I guess I don't get another taste. What the hell one is that? Which one is that?
Next one.
Valentina? Okay. Yeah, that one was good. That was good. I like all of them. They're all amazing.
Okay, got the next one coming.
Okay. Tiger sauce?
You thought that was tiger sauce?
I don't know what it is.
No fucking
Let me
way.
try another one.
There's no way. I'm so
Let me try
shocked.
one. Let me cleanse my palate quick. That's why.
Okay. Okay, you get
Ready?
another guess.
I'm gonna say the lucky heat. No? No? Okay.
Okay.
What the hell is this? What the hell? What was that?
Here's the next one.
Grace.
Yeah, you got it.
Grace has amazing high heat, like Tabasco intensity, and great flavor, and it's really cheap.
Ready for the
I
next
love
one?
Grace.
Here we go. Here's the next one.
Okay. Do me up another one of those. I don't know yet. Whoa, whoa. Woo!
Is that one kicking it?
That one's kicking it.
Ready? Ready?
Whoa. Whoa. Holy Christ. One's kicking it. Holy. That's not what okay I eat.
You got it. All right. We have the next one coming up.
Oh man. What is this one? Holy shit. This is killing me. It's a lot of hot sauce.
You all right?
What's the next one?
Okay, here's the next one. All right? Need a minute?
Whoa. Whoa. What is that?
You like that
It's
one?
tiger sauce.
You got it.
Nice. That one's good.
That one is good, eh?
Yeah.
I'll have some of that one. That one's sweet. There you go.
Ooh, that one burns. Holy. That one's Death by Johnny.
You got it. You got
Oh my
it.
god, that one's so hot. A second level of that one, wow. That one was so hot.
And the last one.
Can I have another try of that?
Ready?
Cholula. No? Let's check it out.
You got 50% on the test.
Wow.
What was your favorite?
They were all delicious.
I like this sauce, it's cheap as hell. I like this, it's really hot though. I like all of it.
Tiger sauce is just delicious.
Holy fuck. Settle down. I like that one. Yeah, that's mine. It's a little sweet. What's the hottest one?
The hottest one is the Olokia Ghost, for sure.
How would you rank them in hotness?
This for sure. Hottest to least hottest. Yeah, that's it.
Hope you enjoyed the hot sauce challenge.
Make sure you subscribe for next week's thing. We got another amazing video coming up we're already working on. Oh, can you give me some more chips? Wow.